Assalamualaikum beautiful people, how are you? I hope you are fine and good. So today we are gonna make chicken dum gosht. So here I'm taking 1 kg of chicken, 1 bowl of tomato puree, it's about 3 to 4 medium size of tomatoes, some dry ingredients, 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks, 3 black cardamoms, 3 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 3 2 tablespoon of mint leaves and coriander leaves, 3 to 4 green chilies, brown onion, it's about 3 medium size of onions which is brown. So here I'm taking 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste or salt 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, allspice powder, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So firstly we have to marinate the chicken for 1 hour. So I'm taking all the ingredients and mixing in it. So mix all the ingredients except this dry ingredients and some mint leaves and coriander leaves. So here I'm taking chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yogurt. Tomato puree. Brown onions. And all the dry ingredients one by one. Yes. So now we will mix it. So now it's mixed properly. Now we will marinate it for 2 hours. So now heat up the oil. It's enough hot now. I'm gonna fry the dry ingredients. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. So now I'm gonna add the chicken. So firstly we have to cook on high flame for 10 minutes. When we start boiling, we will cover it and cook it on medium flame for 20 minutes till it's tender. So now it's time to give it a smoke. So now we will cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. Then we will dish it out. So this is our final look of chicken dum gosht. I hope you guys like this recipe. It's such a quick and easy recipe. You can make it at any time. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.